Peace, family. Esikhomesteddah here with episode number 4. Use what you got to grow. All right, you guys. So this is episode number 4, and if you are new to my channel, I am teaching our YouTube family how to use what they got to grow. Use what you think is waste and turn it into treasure. So this is episode number 4. So what's behind this? All right, you guys. Use what you got to grow. Ta-da! All right, you guys. Can y'all tell me what this is? All right, family. This is my pedestal that held my front load washing machine. Y'all heard what I said, right? This is my pedestal that held my front loader washing machine. So I had my set for over 17 years, and it lasted a good while, but I began to have problems. So again, my sons, all my manpower, bought me a new washing machine and dryer set. So they moved too fast for me. They got rid of one of my pedestals, but I was able to keep one, and I hid it underneath the deck. And it's been under the deck for a minute, you guys, and I've been wanting to use it as a flower pot. So check it out, you guys. This is so cool. Y'all, if y'all have a front loader and you have a pedestal, you know them drawers down there is nice and roomy. And it's plastic. It's plastic. So if you really wanted to, you probably could flip it and grow in it the other way. But I said I wanted to get the maximum use out of it. So I'm going to grow in the drawers. And here in the drawers, it has these separations in there. Right? This is where you store all of your detergents and, fabric softener sheets and things of that nature. We actually used to use the bottom for socks. That's what we used to store down in here. 5 sons, all these socks used to be down in here. So I said this will be a great growing box, and what I'm gonna do is sit another grow pot on the top of it, and then I'm gonna use the bottom of this to grow some lettuce. So let's get to it. Now, what you're gonna need to do, now if you want to take out the little separations, you can. I think this is a great way to grow different things. Like I'm gonna sow some lettuce starts in here. I'm gonna do some transplants in here. And then as time goes on and after we finish our last frost, I'm gonna add seeds to this as well. So I'm gonna do red romaine lettuce in here. And then again, once the weather warm up, I'm gonna put some seeds in here, and that'll act as a whatever word that is, so that I can have a continuous flow of lettuce in here. And you want to drill holes in the bottom of it for drainage. So my hose is already drilled in here, and I'm gonna add some of my DeWitt weed barrier fabric to hold the soil in there nicely, like so. And then there's that word, intercession planting. There you go. Y'all know Essie be forgetting words. I'm not gonna sit up here and act like I don't forget. I forget. So this is so much fun. I love doing this series. Make sure you take what you think is waste and turn it into something beautiful. So I'm gonna pour my soil in here, and then I'm gonna add some compost to it, my worm casting. And here's my beautiful romaine, and these are actually red. Oh, I think this is my first time growing these. They're so beautiful. All right. So let's get this soil in here. See how simple that is? And then I'm definitely going to bring you guys closer in so you guys can see how nice it's going to look. man, this looks so nice. Perfect. All right, you guys, and we got some cow manure compost here. This is so cool. I just love it. And if you got one of these pedestals, definitely turn it into a raised bed. Easy peasy. And you know what would be good to sow in here too? Some herbs. You have your section of your herbs. Okay. There we go. All right, family, so y'all know Essie and her worm castings over here. I got my bucket. So we're gonna pop these out, these little cutie pies. We're gonna pop them out. Y'all probably said, dang, Essie rough. All right, we just gonna put some worm castings in each little spot. We're gonna take them and tuck them in nicely. And remember what I said, I'm going to, let's get this one over here. I am going to definitely be adding some more seeds in here, so I have that continuous flow of lettuce coming in. Okay, put that over here. Then we're gonna put this one over here, and then we're gonna put them over here. Get some worm castings over there. And I'm actually gonna put that one over here too. Put that one in there. Don't be afraid to, I'm not saying be super rough with your transplants, but don't be afraid of them. These little plants are stronger than you think. If they give us strength, you know they strong. So don't be afraid to, you know, press down on them and get them tucked in nicely. Don't be afraid of that. I'm gonna actually add some more soil in this area, because it's actually just a little bit left in this bag, so there's no need to have and I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do, you guys. I know what I'm gonna do. Let's see. No, I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna do exactly what I said. I'm gonna save that space to add more lettuce and this whole raised bed. That's right, it's a raised bed now. And then I'm gonna set something on the top of it and plant something else. All right, so they are nice and tucked in. So let me tilt the camera so you guys can see. I'm gonna bring you guys in a little bit closer. Oops, sorry about that, you guys. There y'all go. Y'all see that? So watch when I plant some green lettuce in there. It's gonna make it pop. It's gonna look real pretty. Y'all see that? All right, let me get back over here. Oh, wait a second, you guys. Let me get it back right. All right, you guys. Y'all see that? Don't that look nice? Even though they dark, so I know you can't see them that much, but they're there. And y'all see how easy it is to turn this into a raised bed? Isn't that pretty cool? All right, family, so this is episode number 4 for SEK the Homesteader, how to use what you got to grow. Turn whatever you think it is that's waste to you, make sure you turn it into something that is reusable. Your waste is not your waste. All right, family, this is SEK the Homesteader. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure if you use this method, make sure you tag me, drop me a line, send me a link so I can see what you planted in your newly made raised bed out of your pedestal of your front loader washing machine. All right, family, this is SEK the Homesteader. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching my channel. Make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys real soon. Peace.